Let's face it, you're going to detox better when your home isn't actually poisoning you. So let's look at environmental toxins in your water, your air, and your everyday products. The average US home contains over 500 toxic chemicals, many of which are endocrine disruptors or carcinogens. Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit. So if you've ever cleared up your food, but not your home, you're only halfway detoxing. So top offenders in your home are your unfiltered tap water, and that includes your shower, plastic containers, synthetic candles, air fresheners, even VOC paints. There's also tons of toxins in your clothes, your furniture, all sorts of toxins. And so tools to detoxify your home naturally are things like air purifiers, water filters, which can sometimes be kind of cost prohibitive. So I like to send people to ewg.org, which is a independent research lab that really shows you lots of toxicities in your common everyday products, such as your water, your food, your skin products, and your cleaning products. In our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, we talk all about environmental influences. In fact, we have an entire questionnaire dedicated to it to try to make sure that you understand what toxic exposures that you may be coming in contact with. So, for instance, indoor air is often 2 to 5 times more toxic than outdoor air, especially with poor ventilation. So that's just one of the many things that you'll learn, plus finding alternatives and knowing where to go for detoxifying your home. So today, this week, in Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, we will be talking about auditing 3 products in your home and switching them up using resources such as ewg.org. We have tons of other resources in the app for you to make sure that you can make a safe switch. Remember, this isn't going to happen overnight. This takes time. I'm not an advocate of throwing everything out and starting over, but rather slowly replacing it as you become more conscious. If you want to join Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, you are more than welcome to do so by clicking the link in the bio, scrolling down, and registering. Right now, we have a BOGO offer where if you buy Intro 1, you get Intro 2. I think you get that. So both of them together, learning about your nutrient deficiencies, which then make your environmental toxins even that much greater. So like, share, comment, subscribe for more, and definitely tune into the content.